feels good, a new beginning. We are free.